Namaste friends, I am Gurji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for my intraday demand and supply zone. Today is the 27th July 2023. We are recording this video at 7 o'clock 27 minutes AM. Yesterday, this credit again this credit goes to market profile, market supreme. Okay, based on the observation, market profile observation, we are providing levels here. Okay, those levels are have sold. Okay, if anyone any particular thing have a soul, the soul work under a supreme power, superpower. Okay, so whatever level we are providing here, that levels have their own soul. Okay, yesterday we discussed that if market opening above this PPOC, then first target could be 19,750, that we discussed there yesterday video. If you are not watched, go and watch and comment what happened on the live market. Again, second supply zone we discussed that 19,800. See, in the morning, within 1 hour, market reached our target. Then market went sideways. Again, what we done, live market observation, we uploaded a video, 1 minute video yesterday at 10:53. Go and cross check what happened, that also. In that video, what we discussed, exactly there is a supply zone at 19,830 level. Okay, 19,830 level. This is a poor buying. Market will reach here. 19,750 will be the target in the afternoon. That means second half. That information also clearly we told. Okay, that information also we discussed there in just 1 minute video. 1 minute video, if you are spend that 1 minute video at 10:53, almost 2:15 you will get this right. 2:15, there are n number of time we discussed this type of activities in the market. That is the unique of market profile. Learn market profile, earn money. Okay, so see, same thing, we just draw that same level in the trading view. If you are not ready to subscribe, go charting also. See, whatever levels we are discussing morning, you can mark, see, 750. And in 750 supply zone, there is a no supply coming in, no signal for supply coming in. Again market went up to the our level. Then market till after 1 hour, almost entire first half market spent clearly at our supply zone. Then market took supply at 830, then came to 750. See, these levels have their own soul. That is the power of market profile. Okay, and the same thing was happened on the Banknifty also. See, Banknifty morning opened here. They not came nearby our demand zone, but exactly took supply from 46,000, nearby 46,095. Okay, what is today's discussion? Let's have. Say, if market today is a monthly expiry, keep this information in your back of the mind. Okay, monthly expiry. So there, if market opening flat, the first half, if market opening flat, that means anywhere in this value area, okay, flat, first half will be the sideways or balance mode. First half, Nifty and Bank Nifty same. Okay, why? Because yesterday there was a discord. Bank Nifty was coming down, Nifty was going up. So discord is there. So the discord both have to be a good friend. Bank Nifty and Nifty have to be a good friend. Then they have to travel in the same direction. So for that they need a balance. They need a discussion meeting. Okay, they have to sit and meet and discuss. They have to have a cup of tea. Then they will plan which direction they are moving. So but both have to go in the same direction. So that's why they need a cooling period. So first half, if market opening flat, that means inside the value area, first half will be the balance mode. This is just a analysis. but it may be changed. End of the day, market is a supreme. Okay. And what could be the demand and supply zone? Again, 750, still this 750 now work as a demand zone. 19,750 Nifty future chart. Okay, 750 work as a demand zone. And one more demand on the down level, that is nearby this POC, PPOC, this PPOC close and VPOC, everything is here. That is almost 680 level, 19,680 level. There is a good demand zone. And where is the supply zone? Again 830, the same 830, that could be the supply zone. 830 could be the supply zone. Then nearby 8, here it is a supply zone. Okay, that means 19,875, 19,875 is the next supply zone. Mark these zones, but if flat open, I am not going to trade today morning. If market opening flat, we'll discuss in the afternoon. Hero, zero, whatever was happening there, then we'll check there. But the one thing is, this is IB breakout failure in the K period. This is one information. This is IB, this is AB poor high. Second information on the top side. And this is the anomaly is pending. This VPOC market how to test, 19,960 market how to test. We don't know when. Okay, so these are the information on the Nifty on the top side. Downside, this is the this is work as a magnet. Okay, this PPOC work as a magnet. If market getting acceptance as 750, we can easily target this particular zone. Why? Because this is also poor buying. Poor buying was happening in the morning. Buying, this is short covering, that is also explained in the 1-minute video yesterday morning itself, the live observation. So these are the things you can plan. And what about the Bank Nifty? Yeah, Bank Nifty, there is a 2-3 informations are there. One is a IB breakout failure was happened on 24th July, and this is second trading day. Yesterday was third day. So let's have today they will clear or tomorrow, we don't know. But there is a supply at a 46 115. This is 46,115. There is a supply zone. There is a supply zone above this particular open. This open will be again act as a supply. Then 46,210. 46,210 will work as a supply zone. So supply zone very nearby this particular area. That means yeah, 210. We discussed 210. Yeah, this IB breakout high will be cleared, so that we can plan on the top. These are the two supply zone on the top side. Where is a demand zone? Demand zone is where is a demand zone? 45 here. Yeah, this single print for the time being. Yesterday single print, this work as a demand zone. That is 45,875. And another demand is here, this PPOC. Okay. Nearby, not PPOC, nearby this value area low also. What is the value area low? Yes, 725, like this is 725. So this is the this area will be work as a 45,725 work as a demand zone. If any acceptance there, then we can target this PPOC. These are the levels. These levels are applicable only if market opening flat. Gap up or gap down case we'll discuss on the live market. And if market opening flat, then I will wait till first half, second half. We'll watch what is going to happen in the first half. Why? Because there is a high probability, higher odds for a sideways momentum in the morning. Anyway, so if you are watching our channel, please click the like button, do comment in comment box, share our channel to your friend circle and relatives. Thank you very much.